A very good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to Maths online class. Today class is the chapter 9, Area of Plane Figures. Area of Plane Figures. Exercise 9.1. We have completed exercise 9.1 up to 5 problems. Today, 6th problem onwards we will discuss. Chapter 9, Areas of Plane Figures, Exercise 9.1, 6th problem. We have completed up to 5 problems. Now we discuss about a 6th problem. Once look at the textbook, page number 219, 6th one. The ratio of length of the parallel sides of a trapezium is 5:3 and the distance between them is 16 centimeters. If the area of the trapezium is 960 centimeters square, find the length of the parallel sides. Once again repeating, the ratio of the length of the parallel sides of trapezium 5:3. So here given to the ratio of a parallel sides of trapezium. The distance between them is 16 centimeters. If the area of the trapezium is 960 centimeters square. Find the length of the parallel side. So here did not given to the parallel sides. Then we have to take the x. Okay, two sides. Parallel sides means same. Then we have to take the parallel sides is x. Okay. So sixth solution. Okay, sixth solution. Once the ratio of length of the parallel sides of a trapezium. Parallel sides of a trapezium. We know that it is a okay. A, B, C, D is a trapezium and here E, height, the distance, H is equal to, so here given to how much in the height? 16 centimeters. And the parallel sides of x 5:3. The ratio given to the 5:3. So what is the parallel side here? AB and CD. Parallel sides is AB and CD. Okay. Now it is what is the formula? Area of trapezium AB CD equal to, what is the formula? Half into distance into the two parallel sides, sum of the two parallel sides. Okay. So once here did not given to the parallel side, we have to take the parallel sides, length of parallel side x. Okay. So here the ratio of the ratio of the length of the parallel sides, length of the parallel sides of a trapezium is equal to 5:3. The ratio is 5:3. So the length of the parallel side 5x comma 3x. 5x comma 3x. Therefore A equal to 5x and B equal to 3x. A equal to 5x and B equal to 3x. Already given that the ratio, then we have to take the parallel side x. 5x comma 3x is a parallel sides. So when you substitute the formula. So here given that the height distance of your trapezium So D equal to already given at 16 centimeters or height. Okay, D or height 16 centimeters. Now we will substitute the formula. So 1 by 2 into, what is the D? Distance 16 centimeters into, what is the sum of parallel side? 5x plus 3x, A plus B. 5x plus 3x. 1 by 2 into 16 into 5 plus 3, 8. Here same variables are there. So it is power also same. Then we have to take the adding. 5x plus 3x equal to 8x. 2 ones 2, 8 twos are 16. 1 into 8 into 8x. So it is a 8 8s are 64 into x. 64x. Okay. So we know that already according to the problem, area of a trapezium. Therefore, according to the trapezium is equal to half into D into A plus B. Okay. We know that according to the trapezium, area of trapezium. Okay. Area of trapezium. So already given to the area of a trapezium equal to 960 centimeters square equal to, already we know that, so here 64x. Okay. By problem, area of a trapezium 960 centimeters square are given that. Okay, 64x. So it is a, already we proved that 64x. Now x equal to 960 by 64. 960 by 64. So here, which table is multiply that? So here, once observe that fourth table. 4 ones 4, 6 fours 24, 2 fours 8, 4 fours are 16 and okay. Next again fourth table, 4 fours are and 6. So finally here x equal to 60 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 15 fours are 60. 15 fours are 60. Therefore x equal to 15. So what is the x here? X is the sum of the parallel sides. Length of a parallel sides. So here A equal to 5x. So A equal to 5 into. So here x equal to 15. So A equal to 5x. Then substitute the x value 15. 5 15s are 15 5s are 75 centimeters. Next B equal to 3x. So substitute the x value. 3 into x is 15. 15 3s are 45 centimeters. 15 3s are 45 centimeters. So the sum of the parallel sides, A equal to 75 centimeters and B equal to 45 centimeters. Okay children, did you understand? Okay. So once observe the diagram, and here area of a trapezium ABCD equal to half D into A plus B. So here directly substitute of the, according to the problem, area of a trapezium 960 centimeters square equal to half into D into A plus B. Given that is measurements, dimensions, then we substitute the A values. So directly x value will get x equal to 15. Then A equal to 75 centimeters and B equal to 45 centimeters. Okay? Okay. Okay, now exercise 9.2, first problem. Look at the textbook, page number 228, first one. A rectangular acrylic sheet is 36 centimeters by 25 centimeters. So here given to the two dimensions, 36 centimeters by 25 centimeters. From it 56 circular buttons. We know that shirt buttons, circular buttons. Each of diameter 3.5 centimeters have been cut out. Okay, the acrylic sheet, each and every button is there. Diameter is 3.5 centimeters has been cut out. Okay, did you understand? Okay, find the area for remaining sheet. So the here give according to the problem by given the 56 buttons in the acrylic sheet. Acrylic sheet. So here acrylic sheet is here given to the 2 dimensions. So that's why it is a rectangle shape. So here how many buttons are there? 56 buttons. Then you find the each button area. Each button area. Button is which shape? Circle. Already here given that. Circular buttons. So first we will find the area of a circle. Already here given to the area of a diameter of a circle. Already here given that. Now we will find the first of all find the area of a rectangle and area of a square. Area of a circle. Okay, did you understand, children? So here once observe that it is a button shape. The diameter is a 3.5 centimeters. The button shape is a circular shape. The diameter is a 3.5 centimeters. We know that already it is a acrylic sheet. It is a acrylic sheet. It is 36 centimeters and next one is a 25 centimeters. Okay, did you understand? The sheet shape is a rectangular because of according to the problem here 2 dimensions are given. It is a 2 different dimensions. So that is we have to take the rectangular shape. Okay. So in the rectangular shape of how many circular buttons are there? 56 buttons and so on. 56 buttons are there. Remaining so much place is there. So we will find the area of your remaining buttons. So how many here given that? Find the area of your remaining sheet. Find the area of your remaining sheet. So here it is empty place is there. Then we will find the area. Then we will find the area. Up to here 56 buttons are there. Remaining we will find the area of a empty sheet. Okay, did you understand? Okay, first of all we will find the area of a rectangle. We will find the area of a rectangle. What is the formula area of a rectangle? Length into breadth. We know that. So area of a circle. Next area of a circle. What is the formula area of a circle? Pi r square. Already here given that the diameter. Then we will find the radius is equal to diameter by 2. Radius equal to diameter by 2. Once observe that here, first we will find the area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle equal to length into breadth. We know that L equal to 36 centimeters and breadth B equal to 25 centimeters. We know that. Okay, did you understand that one? Okay, now we will substitute the formula. What is the length here? 36 and breadth is a 25. What is the breadth? 25 centimeters. Okay, now 36 into 25. Multiply that 36 into 25. See 5 6 are 30. 5 3s are 15 plus 3 18. 6 2s are 12. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7 0 10 900. So it is a 900 square meters. Because of here units write square meters, we will find the area. Then we will write here square centimeters. Okay. Next find the area of a circle. Next here area of a circle. Area of a circle. Area of a circle. So here what is the formula? Pi r square. We know the diameter of a circle. Diameter of a circle. Already given that. What? How much? 3.5 centimeters. D equal to. Okay. Now we should write here R equal to D by 2 equal to 3.5 by 2 centimeters. It is a radius. 3.5 by 2 is a radius. Okay. Now we will substitute the formula pi. What is the pi value? We know that in the previous class also we learned in the pi value 22 by 7 or 3.14. Okay. So pi 22 by 7 into r square is 3.5 by 2 into 3.5 by 2. Okay. Did you understand that? Okay. Now here observe that remove the point. We will write here 35 by 2 into 10. into 35 by 2 into 10. Because of here point after how many digits are there? 1 digit. Then we will write the denominator 1 after we have to take the 1 0. Okay? 2 already we know that here denominator 2 is there 2 into 10 and here also 2 into 10. 22 by 7 into 35 by 2 tens 20 and again 35 by 20. 5 sevens are 7 1 sevens and 5 sevens are 35. 2 table 11 times possible and here 10 times possible. 2 table. So here finally here write 11 into 5 by 10. 11 into 5 by 10 into 35 by 20. Okay. So here observe that fifth table 2 times and here 7 times. Fifth table 2 times 2 5s are 10, 7 5s are 35. So here 11 into 5 into 7 by 2 into 20. Okay. So here 5 4 times possible. 5 ones 5 and 5 4s are 20. So 11 into 7 by 2 into 4. 11 sevens are 77 by 2 4s are 8. It is a area of a circle. So it is a only one button area. Only here one button area. Did you understand? It is a only one button area. Now here according to the problem, how many buttons are there? Acrylic sheet 56 buttons are there. Now we will find. So here find the 56 buttons. Okay. So here write 77 by 8 means here 9.625 square centimeters. We know that. So here finally how many buttons are there? It is a one button area. It is a one button area. Remaining 56 buttons are there. Remaining 56 buttons. How many buttons are there? 56 buttons are there. So we should multiply the 56 into 9.625. So here 9.625 into 56. 6 5s are 30. 6 2s are 12 plus 3 15. 6 6 are 36 plus 1 37. 9 6 are 54 plus 3 57. Again 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are plus 10 plus 2 12. 5 6 are 30 plus 1 31 and 5 9s are 45 plus 3 48. So here 0 10 10 9 13. So here how many digits after point? 1 2 3. So 1 2 3. So finally the area 56 buttons equal to 539 square centimeters. It is a 56 buttons. So what we find them here? Find the remaining sheet. Find the area of the remaining sheet. So here find the area of your remaining sheet. So finally area of remaining sheet equal to area of rectangle minus area of circle. Well, how much area of a rectangle here? Area of a rectangle 900 minus 539. So 900 minus 539 equal to 361 square centimeters. Okay. Now here the remaining empty sheet. The remaining sheet equal to 361 square centimeters. Okay children, did you understand this one? First find the area of a rectangle and next find the area of a one button. What is the shape of a button? Circular. Circular. What is the formula of area of a circle? Pi r square. Area of a circle? Pi r square. So here 56 buttons. First we will find the one button area. After we will 56 buttons area. Okay. Then finally area of a rectangle minus 56 buttons area equal to remaining area. Remaining acrylic sheet area. Okay, understand that? Okay. Next, second problem. Find the area of a circle inscribed in a square of a side 28 centimeters. So, it is a inscribed of a circle. Inscribed circle, the area of a circle inscribed. Okay, this is a sides. Square means all sides are equal. So here already given the hint. Diameter of a circle is equal to the side of a square. So it is a diameter. So it is a diameter. The diameter of the circle is equal to the diameter of the circle is equal to the side of a square. So it is a square of a side, it is a diameter of a circle. So here to here same distance 28 centimeters. Okay. So here find the, only here asking the find the area of a square. Sorry, area of a circle. So find the area of a circle. Therefore area of a circle equal to formula pi r square. So here diameter of circle equal to, here given to 28 centimeters, d equal to, okay. So r equal to radius equal to d by 2. So 28 by 2, 14 2s are 28, r equal to 14 centimeters. Okay. Now substitute the formula. Area of circle equal to pi r square. Pi means value of 22 by 7 into r is a 14 whole square. So here 14 whole square means we should write here 14 two times. 14 into 14. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So 22 into 2 into 14. So here 22 into 14 twos are 28. So multiply the 22 into 28. 8 twos are 16 plus 17, 2 twos are 4, 2 twos are 4, 6, 11, 616. How much? 616 square centimeters. So here 616 square centimeter or centimeter square. Okay. Then here find the area of a circle. The area of a circle is a 616 square centimeters. This is the area. Okay. Did you understand this one? Okay, right. Next, third problem. Next, third Roman in first one. Find the area of the shaded region in each of the following figures. So first one is, look at the first one. Find the area of the shaded part. So here 4 sides are, these are 4 sides are shaded parts. Okay. So find the area of a shaded part. So here how many semicircles are here? Half a circle, semicircle. So 1, 2, 3, 4. How many semicircles are there? 4 semicircles. 4 semicircle. So here already given to the hint in solution. Question D equal to 21. So diameter equal to 21. So here diameter of a circle equal to 21 centimeter and radius r equal to d by 2. It means 21 by 2. So here 21 by 2. 10 twos are 21.05 twos are 10. So it is a 10.5. So therefore radius r equal to 10.5. Okay, did you understand? Now find the area of a circle. So now area of a circle equal to pi r square. Pi is a 22/7 into r is a 10.5 into 10.5. Whole square means write in 10.5, 2 times 10.5 into 10.5. Now here write 22/7 into 105/10. Because of here remove the point and write the divided by 10 into 105/10. 105/10. So here 7 ones are 7, 5 sevens are 35. So here finally 22 into 75/10 into 105/10. Okay. So here 5 table. How many times 5 table? 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25 and 2 times 15/2. So here write 15, 22 into 15/2 into 105/10. So here also same 5 table. Here 5 table 2 times and here 5 table 3 times. So here write 22 into 3 into 105/2 into 2. So 22 3s are 66 into 105/4. 105/4. So here the value of 66 into 105 into 66. 6 5s are 30, 0, 3, 6 1 6, 6 5s are 30, 0, 6, sorry here 3, 0, 3, 9, 6. So 6930/4. So here 6930/4. How many times? 1 time 4. 6 minus 4 2, 9. 7 4s are 28. 1 is there. 3. 3 4s are 12. 1 0. 2 4s are 8. 2.0. 5 4s are 20. So here 1732.5 centimeters square or square centimeters. It is a area of a circle. Okay. So here how many semicircles are there? 4 semicircles. How many? How many semicircles? Because of here how many shaded parts? Now first we will find the one shaded part. So it is a one shaded part is a half circle. It means a semicircle. So here how many shaded parts are there? Remaining 3 is there. So totally how many shaded part? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here only it is a one shaded part of a area. One shaded part of a area. 1732.5 centimeters square. So here finally area of 4 semicircles. 4 semicircles. So it is a semicircle, one shaded part of a area. So here how many points after 0? Yes, here 133.25. So here write. So 4 into 173.25 into 4. 4 5s are 20. 4 2s are 8 plus 2, 10. 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 13. 4 7s are 28 plus 1, 29. 4 1s 4 plus 2, 6. 693. So it is a 693 square centimeter. What is this 693 square centimeters? It is a area of a 4 shaded parts. Area of a 4 shaded part. Okay children, first we will find the area of a semicircle. First we will find after all shaded parts. Okay, did you understand this one? Okay. Next problem, fourth one. Next problem, fourth one. Once look at the textbook ninth problem. The adjacent figure consists of four small semicircles. Four small semicircles. Once observe that here, four small semicircles. So here, once observe that it is a small semicircles. These are a small semicircles. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many semicircles are there? 4 semicircles. Okay. Equal radii and two big semicircles. So these are equal radii of two bigger semicircles. So here it is a 1 and it is a bigger semicircles. It is a 2. How many bigger circles are there? 2. How many semicircles are there? 4. Okay. Find the area. So here given to the radii 42 centimeters. So here two big semicircles of equal radii, each 42 centimeters. So radius are equal to 42 centimeters. 42 centimeters. Find the area of shaded part. Find the area of shaded part. Once observe the children. So first here it is a total up to here to here. These are total diameter. So it is a 42 centimeters. So here radius, but here given to the diameter of a bigger semicircles. So here 1, 2 bigger semicircle. So it is a D. D equal to 42 centimeters. Now find the radius R equal to D by 2. So it is D by 2 means D by 2 means 42 by 2. 2 2s are 4, 1, 21 centimeters. R equal to 21 centimeters. So area of a bigger semicircles. Area of a bigger semicircle. So here how many bigger semicircles are there? 2. Okay, these two. Okay, first four smaller semicircles is 4. Smaller semicircles is a 4. So once observe the diagram. Area of shaded region. Area of shaded region. So here observe the textbook. Observe the textbook. So actually it is a shaded parts of this is totally shaded parts. So here observe that it is a shaded parts. Okay, these are find the area of a shaded parts. Shaded parts. Okay, so here observe that it is a part of a semicircle adding a totally semicircle. Did you understand? So it is empty is there. It is not shaded part, unshaded part. So it is shaded part adding here. So that is total semicircle. At the same time also. Okay, did you understand? Okay. Now write here area of a shaded region. Area of a shaded region. So here write area of a shaded region. Shaded region. So here area of a two bigger semicircles. How many semicircles are there? 2. So equal to area of two bigger semicircle. Okay. Area of AR means area. Area of two bigger semicircles plus. So here observe that. So here two semicircles, two bigger semicircles inside of empty circles, empty semicircles 2 is there. So here minus. Okay, so these are subtracting of a small semicircles. Okay, minus area of two smaller area of two smaller semi circle. Okay, did you understand? Plus area of two smaller semicircles plus area of two smaller circle. Okay, so finally we should write area of two bigger semicircles. So once observe that, once look at the board children. So here area of two bigger semicircles. So these are two bigger semicircles. Okay, minus two empty circles. Two empty circles. Okay, area of minus area of two smaller semicircles. So these are bigger semicircles. It is a shaded part. So these are minus means unshaded part. So here area of two bigger semicircles minus area of two smaller circles plus area of remaining two is there, shaded parts. These are two shaded parts. Area of two smaller circles. Did you understand, children? So finally, so it is this semicircle is adding here and this semicircle is adding here. Totally bigger circle you will get. Bigger circle. So here like this only diagram. So it is a totally shaded part. So here remove that. So here also, because if it is adding here empty place, here empty place, here semicircle and here semicircle adding a empty places. So finally it is two bigger semicircles. Okay. Finally area of two bigger semicircles. Did you understand this one? Finally area of two bigger semicircles. So we know that what is the area of semicircle formula? So therefore area of semicircle equal to pi r square by 2. Pi r square by 2. That is a semicircles formula. Okay. Circle, area of circle pi r square by 2. Semi means half by 2. So here 22 by 7 into what is the r? R is a 21. 21 whole square. Here by 2. Pi means 22 by 7 into 21 whole square. So here write 22 into 21 whole square means we should write here 21 two times by 7 into 2. 7 2s are 14. So here observe that 2 1s are 2, 11 2s are 22. Here 7 3s are 21. So here finally 21 into 3 is there. So 3 1s 3, 3 2 6. So what is the 6 here? 63 here. 3 times is there and is 11 also is there. So here into 11 into 11. 11. 2 1s 2, 11 2s are 22. So multiply that 63 into 11. 63 into 11. 3 1s 3 6. 3 1s 3 6. 693. So here write in 693 square centimeter or centimeter square. So it is the area of a semicircle. So here find the area of two bigger semicircles. So here finally area of two bigger in 2 into 693. So 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12 plus 1. 1386 square centimeters. So here finally two bigger semicircle. These are two bigger area of bigger semicircles. 1386 square centimeters. Did you understand, children? So here area of a two bigger circle minus area of a two smaller circles minus. Did you understand? Okay. Next, plus area of a two smaller circle. It is these two smaller circles. Okay, it is empty circles, it is a bigger circle shaded part and it is a smaller circle shaded part. So finally area of a semicircle. What is the formula semicircle? Pi r square by 2. Pi r square by 2. It means semicircle means half a circle. What is the area of a circle? Pi r square. Half a circle means pi r square by 2. Formula. Okay? Did you understand that? Okay, right. Next, fifth problem. So, fifth one. The adjacent figure consists for 4 half semicircles. 4 half semicircles. So, here 1, 2, 3, 4. These are semicircles. 4 half. So, here I given the number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Half 4 semicircles and 2 quarters. Quarters means 1 by 4th part. Quarter means 1 by 4th. So these 2 quarters and these 4 semicircles. Okay. And OA equal to OB equal to OC equal to OD equal to 14 centimeter. So it is a radius R equal to 14 centimeters. O is a center point. It is a circle and OA, OB, OC, OD is a radius. So here R equal to 14 centimeters. Did you understand, children? What is the R here? Radius 14 centimeters. Find the area of shaded region. Find the area of shaded region. Once, so it is a shaded part. It is a shaded part. So it is a shaded part. Okay. Find the area of a shaded part. So here once observe that radius OA equal to OB equal to OC equal to OD equal to 14 centimeters. So area of a 1 by 4th of circle. So we know that 1 by 4th of a circle. So here how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. 1 by 4th of half circle. So once observe that it is adding up like this only and it is adding here only adding. And it is part of adding here and it is part of adding here. So first one area of a, first here find the area of a shaded region. Area of a shaded region. Once observe that area of a shaded region. Area of a shaded region. Once, so here observe that first one area of a quarter bx. So here it is a quarter of x and it is a y. Okay, understand that? Area of a, first one is the first area of a quarter. It is total part of a quarter. Quarter circle BXD. BXD. Okay. So here next. Here observe that. So it is part of your wish. We already here given that A, B, C, D and X, Y. So here P and it is part of a Q and it is part of a R, P, Q or S. Okay. It is a smaller semicircles. 4 smaller semicircles. These are quarters. Did you understand that? So here area of quarter BXD minus area of semicircle. Area of semicircle BPO or OPB. OPB. Once observe that area of quarter BXD minus, it is unshaded part. So then I will write here minus, the part of a minus. Area of OPB is a semicircle. Okay. Next plus area of, because of adding here, area of OQD semicircle. Semicircle. Area of OQD is a semicircle. Next one here, third part. Okay, 1, 2, third part. We'll get a third part. Next, plus, again plus, area of quarter AYC. Quarter circle AYC. Okay, minus area of ARO, minus area of ARO semi circle. Next, finally here, plus area of OSC, area of semi circle OSC, area of semicircle OSC. Okay, it is finally according to the diagram. This is the formula, this is the areas according to the diagram. Once observe that, children, OSC is a semicircle adding here, and OQD semicircle is adding here. Totally how many circles are there here? So how can you write that? Totally area of a quarter BXD and area of a AYC. So finally, what is the finally? So it is adding this part. Area of quarter circle BXD plus area of quarter circle AYC. This is adding of this part is adding here. Okay, so totally area of quarter circle BXD plus area of quarter circle AYC. We know that, already we know that semicircle formula pi r square by 2. Quarter means 1 by 4th part. So we should write here formula pi r square by 4. Pi r square by 4. So here substitute the formula. Okay, did you understand, children? Now here find the area of a quarter circle. Area of quarter circle equal to pi r square by 4. Pi r square by 4. Quarter means 1 by 4th part. So here pi 22 by 7 into r square. Already we know that r square is a 14. 14 whole square by 4. So here 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 by 4. 22 into 14 into 14 by 7 into 4. Here 2 sevens are 14. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. Next, here 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. At the same time here 7 twos are 14. What is the remaining here? 22 into 7. So observe that 22 into 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 twos are 14 plus 1, 15. Okay. So it is a 154 square centimeters. It is a area of quarter circle. Area of quarter circle. So how many quarter circles is there? 2. Then we will find the area of a quarter circle and area of a quarter circle. This is a 2 areas of quarter circle. Okay, did you understand? Now write here area of a, finally area of a quarter circle BXD. It means of 154. At the same part is a 154. So these are adding 154 plus 154. 4 plus 4 8. 5 plus 5 10 and 1 2 3. So finally 308 square centimeters. It is a area of a shaded region. Did you understand, children, this one? Okay? Okay. Thank you, my dear students. I hope to understood these problems.